In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quotes to cell values in Google Sheets using two different methods. Adding quotes can be quite useful, especially when dealing with text that needs to be enclosed for clarity or data processing purposes. So let's dive right in. First, let's open up a Google Sheet. You can create a new one or use an existing spreadsheet, depending on your needs. Once you have your sheet open, you'll want to select the cell or range of cells that you plan to format with quotes. Simply click and drag over the cells if it's a range, or just click on a single cell to select it. With your cells highlighted, head over to the top menu bar. Click on Format to open a drop-down menu. From there, you'll see a series of options. Select Number to dive into more detailed formatting settings. This is where we can customize our cell formats to include those desired quote marks. Next, from the number options, click on Custom Number Format. This feature allows for flexibility beyond default settings. In the text field that appears, you'll need to type in a specific sequence. Enter a backslash, followed by a double quote, the @ at, then another backslash and double quote. What this does is tell the spreadsheet to enclose the cell's content in quotes. Finally, click Apply, and you've got your first method covered. Now, moving on to the second method, which involves using a formula within Google Sheets. Start by selecting a cell where you want the formatted result to appear. You'll need to enter a formula that generates quotes around your selected data. Type the function HR34, which generates a character represented by its ASCII code, in this case, a double quote. Next, you'll use the ampersand symbol, which is like a glue connecting different pieces of text or formula in Google Sheets. After the ampersand, select the cell or range that contains the text you'd like to enclose in quotes. Again, use the ampersand followed by CAR34 to close with another set of quotes. This formula strings together the quotes around your existing cell values. After typing it in, press the Enter key to execute your formula. Both of these methods offer powerful solutions depending on your specific scenario. Whether you prefer the formatting route or leveraging a formula, Google Sheets provides flexible options to suit your needs. Trial these techniques and see which works best for your data management. By following these steps, you can easily enhance your spreadsheet's clarity and functionality. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on mastering Google Sheets and other productivity tools.